Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. This process is essential for maintaining the performance of your device. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. 1. Screwdriver set. A precision screwdriver set will help you handle the small screws in the Thermomix. 2. Multimeter, for testing the old potentiometer and ensuring the new one is working properly. 3. Tweezers, handy for maneuvering small components. 4. Cleaning cloth, to keep the internal parts free of dust and grease. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Unplug the Thermomix. Before starting any repair, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged from the power source to prevent any electrical hazards. Step 2. Open the Thermomix. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully lift the back cover to expose the internal components. Step 3. Locate the potentiometer. The potentiometer is usually found near the control panel. It's a small component that regulates the speed settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its position. Step 4. Remove the old potentiometer. Using your screwdriver, gently unscrew the potentiometer from its place. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you're unsure about handling this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Step 5. Clean the internal components. Before installing the new potentiometer, take the cleaning cloth to wipe away any dust or debris inside. This is a crucial step to ensure the longevity of your appliance. Step 6. Install the new potentiometer. Align the new potentiometer with the existing holes and carefully screw it in place. Make sure it's secure but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the component. Step 7. Reassemble the Thermomix. Once the new potentiometer is in place, carefully put the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snugly fitted. Step 8. Testing the device. Plug the Thermomix back in and perform a quick test. Use the multimeter to check the functionality of the new potentiometer. If everything is working correctly, you're good to go. If you encounter any issues during testing or if you simply don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed for your convenience, ensuring that you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Final step, quote before repair. If you're considering further repairs or upgrades, we can provide a quote before any work begins. This way, you'll have a clear understanding of the costs involved without any surprises. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the potentiometer in your Thermomix TM31. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.